Hello everyone, this is Renuka Singh from RC1223. Here I am going to tell you how to create wiki page on Moodle site. Now first you have to open a Moodle Cloud website and then first turn on the edit option from here. Once you have turned on the edit option, the page will be edited now. Here then add an activity or resource. Here you will see a wiki option in add an activity. Click the wiki and add that wiki in Moodle Cloud website. Here I have clicked add and then adding a new wiki page is visible on my system. First, I'll give a name to this wiki page. You can give any name. Here I am going to give you the wiki page tutorial for wiki page. Tutorial for wiki page. Then description. Description is how to create wiki page on Moodle Cloud. Then you will add a wiki mode. I have chosen collaborative wiki mode. You can also choose individual wiki mode. This is collaborative wiki mode. Now first page name is I will give it as wiki page. Format, you can give any format that you can give any format like HTML, Creole, and Wiki. I have given HTML. Now common Moodle setting is here show on course page or hide from students. I'll show it on course page. Any ID number 1223. You can give any ID number as I have given it 1223. Group mode. Separate group modes or visible group modes. I'll give visible. I'll select visible groups. Then grouping, none. Add grouping if you want. Otherwise, then if you want to restrict access, you can access this page. Any tags you want to choose, you can go for any tags over from here. But and then competencies, course competencies, you can choose any course competencies. Lastly, you will save and return to the course. Then it will be displayed and save and display. Then it will be this wiki page will be displayed on your Moodle website. Will be displayed on your Moodle website. Here in this way. This page I have created. Right? This was all about how to create wiki page on Moodle website.